Zen Metaphors. The lamp and light. What good is a lamp if it doesn't give off light? That's not a riddle, that's a real consideration. Imagine buying the fanciest lamp in the world. Carved wood, silk shade, maybe even gold trim. And it just sits there. Beautiful, silent, and completely useless in the dark. And here's the twist. According to Zen, that's exactly what happens when you've got understanding without manifestation. The lamp symbolizes understanding. The light symbolizes manifestation. One is essence. The other is expression. But here's why we're here. You can't actually separate them. A lamp only becomes a lamp when there is light. And yet, there is no light without a lamp. The lamp and the light arise simultaneously. In Zen, this is the tightrope we walk every day. Insight on one side, lived reality on the other. Understanding without manifestation is mere conjecture. And manifestation without understanding is unjustified pretense. A lamp in storage? Pretty. Collectible. But nothing to see. But light without a lamp means that the source might be anything, anywhere. But with lamp and light, light spills everywhere. It reveals forms. It casts shadows. It touches people around you whether you're trying or not. That's true understanding, arising along with manifestation. Zen teachers love to say, "The way is not in the sky, the way is in the heart." Translation: stop waiting for enlightenment to appear in some future cosmic light display. If you truly understand, the light is already shining. And here's the kicker. Lamp and light are not two. You don't first get a lamp and then, sometime later, decide to order light as an accessory. The very definition of a lamp is its simultaneity with light. This isn't about performing Zen, like some enlightened cosplay. It's about the inseparability of essence and function. You can't claim an understanding of awakening without embodying it. Just like you can't claim to own a lamp if it never lights up a room. And you can't embody the light of awakening without also cultivating the lamp of understanding. They arise together, essence and expression, hand in hand. So here's the takeaway. Don't hoard bulb stands with electric cords. Don't treat Zen like an antique shop where you constantly continue to collect facsimiles of understanding and without ever flipping the switch. Let the lamp do what it was designed for, and let the light radiate. Because only then do you stop keeping Zen locked in your head and start letting it shine through your life.